product review of Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. What you'll need to bake the cookies. You'll need a package of the cookie mix, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons of water, and half a cup of butter. They first want you to whisk the eggs and the water together. A little mixing action here. Once that's mixed together, you're going to add the butter. It says very soft. Remove all the tinfoil from it. I first tried to mix the butter in with the whisk and it did not go well, so I swapped it out for a fork, and I needed the butter into the egg mixture, which it was still clumpy when I added the actual cookie mix, as you can see. But once the cookie mix was in and I was able to incorporate it all and smooth it out with the fork, crushing the butter against into the flour and sugar, this is what the dough actually looks like. Now this cookie bag says it makes about 24 cookies, and you're going to see a rookie mistake that I made by making the cookies way too big for the baking sheet, and then thinking, oh no, now I got to make them all smaller. So I actually only got 18 cookies out of this, but they were good. And one important note is baking the cookies at 325. You can preheat at 350, but you have to turn it down to 325, and it takes about 10 to 13 minutes, as you see, progressively getting more cooked until they're actually done. And enjoy. My overall review of this cookie is an 8 out of 10. It compares to regular cookies by being moist, chewy, not too sweet, but where it really excels is that for the price of this, you can make way more cookies and have less questionable ingredients than buying regular gluten-free boxed cookies. And thank you for watching, and let us know if there's any other products you want us to review.